By completing the FAFSA, you are applying for federal student loans, grants, and also state grants. The very first thing you need to do is gather you and or your parents' tax information and begin the FAFSA process. You file the FAFSA at fafsa.ed.gov. You also will need to apply for an FSA ID and password. Once your FAFSA has been filed, it takes about 2 or 3 days for your FAFSA to be sent to the schools that you have listed. If you are having trouble doing your FAFSA, the staff at the Financial Aid Office here at Friends University will be glad to help you complete your FAFSA online. We will also help you complete your Master Promissory Note or your loan counseling if you choose to use your loans. The Financial Aid Office is here to help you in any facet that we can in filing your FAFSA and in getting you as much student aid as possible to help you achieve your educational goals. And we would love to meet you at Friends University.